In this tutorial, you're going to see what you can do in the Layer Properties window after assigning objects and geometry to the existing layers. As you can see, I am using the same layers as in the previous tutorial, but with a new floor plan. The walls, joineries, and lines are already assigned to their respective layer and visible with their respective color. When you open the Layer Properties window, you'll see a few settings and options. The status column determines which layer is active. You can either double-click on the page icon or select the layer and press the Set Current button. The name column is quite self-explanatory. If you want to change the name, just double-click and type a new name. The On column turns on and off the layers. You turn off layers to reduce the visual complexity of your drawing while you work. However, the Freeze column hides the layers that you don't need to access for a while. Freezing layers is similar to turning them off, but improves performance in very large drawings. It is actually recommended to keep the On column always on, and manage the visibility of the layers using the Freeze option. One of the reasons to do this is because you have the Freeze option also available in the Layer drop-down menu. This way, if you stick to the Freeze option, you will avoid mixing the visibility between turning off and freeze. The Lock option is used when you want to prevent accidental changes to the objects on those layers. Also, the objects on locked layers appear faded, which helps to reduce the visual complexity of your drawing, but still lets you see the objects faintly. You won't be able to select or modify the geometry on those layers, but you can still use their grips as reference points to keep drawing. In the Plot column, you can indicate which layers will be printed or not without the need to turn them on or off in the drawing. The Color property allows you to assign a color for all the geometry on that layer, as seen in the previous video. And finally, we have the Line type and line weight. These properties define the style and the width of the lines of the geometry on that layer.